to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term PLM, Product Lifecycle Management. PLM sometimes is Product Lifecycle Management represents all encompassing vision for managing all data related to design, production and support, and also ultimate disposal of manufactured goods. PLM concepts were first introduced where safety and control have been extremely important, notably the aerospace, medical device, military and nuclear industries. This industry originated the discipline of configuration management, which evolved into electronic data management system, which then further evolved into product data management. Over the last few decades, manufacturers of instrumentation, industrial machinery, consumer electronics, packaged goods, and other complex engineered products have discovered the benefit of PLM solution and are adopting efficient PLM software in increasing numbers. PLM can be thought of as both a repository of all information that affects a product and a communication process between product stakeholders, principally marketing, engineering, manufacturing, and field service. The PLM system is the first place where all product information from marketing and design comes together and where it lives in a form suitable for production and subsequently support. A few analysts use PLM as an umbrella term that includes engineering CAD for information authoring, but the product information creation tools include word processors, spreadsheet and graphic program, requirement analysis and market assessment tools, field trouble reports, and even email or other correspondence. A PLM tool focuses exclusively on managing data that covers the breadth of the product's lifecycle without regard to how the data is developed. The essential element of PLM it manages design and process document, constructs and control bill of material records, often an electronic file repository, includes built-in and custom part and document metadata. It identifies material content for environmental compliance, permits item-focused task assignment, enables workflow and process management for approving changes. It controls multi-user secured access, including electronic signature, exports data for downstream ERP systems. Thanks for watching. Bye.